Hey everyone, and welcome back. I am absolutely thrilled to have you here for this explainer. Today we're wrapping up a really incredible educational journey. We've been exploring what it takes to become empowered environmental stewards, focusing on this beautiful concept, our local world. It's all about how small hands can literally have global hearts. So if you're ready to see how small, everyday choices can make a massive difference, well, you're in exactly the right place. We're going to break down exactly what our environment is, how we protect it, and the very real steps we can take today to make an impact. Let's get right into it.
Here's our roadmap for today. First, defining your local environment. Second, your environmental superpowers. Third, a promise and a challenge. And finally, preparing for level 2.
All right, Section 1, defining our local environment. What exactly are we protecting?
You know what's really interesting here is the definition itself. When we hear the word environment, it is just so easy to picture distant rainforests, vast oceans, or melting ice caps. But the environment, it's actually everything around us. It definitely encompasses the natural world, absolutely, but it's also the built structures we live in. It's the sidewalks you bike on, the local park where you play, and the school down the road. It's literally the world right outside your front door. And understanding that makes our mission deeply, deeply personal.
So what exactly makes up this environment when it's really thriving? Well, the elements of a healthy planet start with clean air, fresh water, and healthy land. These are the absolute basics we need to live and grow. I mean, it's pretty amazing to think that the trees in your local park are working hard right now just to give us that clean air. And remember, we share this home. Our local world is full of wonderful plants and animals that also need safe homes and protection. So when we keep the planet healthy for us, by maintaining clean air, water, and land, we are simultaneously keeping it healthy for all the amazing living things we share it with.
Moving on to Section 2, your environmental superpowers, the tools to save the world.
Okay, let's dive right into this, because honestly, this is my absolute favorite part of the explainer. You have superpowers. Seriously, we don't need magic capes here. We just need these 3 simple, powerful steps. Step 1 is reduce. That just means using less to save our planet's resources, like turning off the tap while you brush your teeth. Step 2 is reuse. This is where you get creative and find new ways to use old things, like maybe turning an old t-shirt into a cleaning rag instead of just tossing it out. And step 3 is recycle. This ensures old materials can be turned into brand new products. Think about making sure that empty plastic bottle gets melted down to eventually become a park bench. This right here, this is your daily toolkit. When you practice these 3 superpowers, you are actively protecting our planet.
Section 3, the promise and challenge, your quest as an Earth explorer.
I want you to really look at the words here. Wherever you are right now, I actually want you to read this aloud with me. Ready? I promise to breathe clean air. I promise to drink clean water. I promise to play on clean land. I promise to protect animals and plants. I promise to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Wow. By making this promise, we're officially accepting our personal responsibility as protectors of the planet. So, the absolute crucial point here is taking that promise and turning it into reality. I want to pause for a second and ask you directly, what will your weekly environmental action be? Take a quick second right now to just think about your own local world.
To help you answer that, I am officially issuing the Earth Explorer Challenge. Here's what you do. Choose just one new environmental action you learned about today and practice it every single day this week. Now, it doesn't have to be a massive thing. Maybe your action is simply making sure you turn off the lights every single time you leave a room. Or maybe it's taking extra care to sort your recycling properly using your brand new superpowers. The key here is just picking one habit and sticking to it every single day.
And you know, when we try something new, sharing it really makes it stick, and it completely amplifies your impact. Every action you take helps make the world better. So look at these fantastic ways to document your progress. You could draw a picture of the activity you chose. You could tell a story about it to a friend or a family member, or you can always ask an adult to help you write it down. Sharing your challenge makes it real, it makes it fun, and it really inspires others to join in on the whole shebang.
And that brings us to Section 4, preparing for level 2, connecting local habits to global impact.
Now this is what it all builds up to. Right now, we've been in level 1, small hands. This is all about what we just covered, right? Local efforts, daily habits like reducing and reusing, and taking personal responsibility for the environment right outside our front door. But as we look ahead to level 2, global hearts, we're going to begin to see the bigger picture. We're going to discover how your local actions actually connect to your whole community and even to places all around the world. For instance, flipping off that light switch locally literally reduces the need for power plants globally. It is the essential stepping stone from taking care of your house to taking care of the entire globe.
So as we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a final, pretty powerful question to chew on. How will your small, local actions today change the whole world tomorrow? Think about it. The choices you make in your house today truly ripple out across the globe. So keep practicing those superpowers, and I'll see you next time for Level 2.